Are you tired of struggling with tough stains and grime on your boat's hull? Do harsh chemicals leave you worried about safety while cleaning? Acid Magic Multi-Use Formula is the most effective way to safely clean and remove stains and discoloration from most boat hulls and bottoms. Acid Magic has a powerful acid-based formula that removes stubborn stains with ease, with up to 90% less vapors to ensure your safety. Say goodbye to long hours spent scrubbing away dirt. Acid Magic is a technological breakthrough in marine cleaning and works up to twice as fast as leading competitor hull cleaners. Acid Magic Multi-Use Formula tackles all your boat cleaning needs. Acid Magic is safe for use on fiberglass, rubber, and steel hulls to remove barnacles and algae. Use as directed to clean out drives and propellers. It's effective in raw water coolant systems to remove marine buildup. It's great for use in both plastic and porcelain marine toilets to clean tough water lines. Transform your boat from dull to dazzling with ease using Acid Magic Multi-Use Formula for boats, the ultimate cleaning solution for all your marine cleaning needs. Acid Magic. It's the best choice for boats and people too. Find out more at acidmagic.com.